Hi friends, thanks for joining me in today's asana breakdown or pose tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at wild thing, and as always, please make sure that your body is nice and warmed up, particularly your wrists. And we're going to meet in a downward facing dog. Keep your legs bent in your downward facing dog. And typically in a vinyasa practice, we transition into wild thing from three-legged dog. So I want you to reach your left leg up high towards the sky, bend that left leg, and as you shift that leg towards the right side of your mat, I want you to shift your weight forward so that your shoulders are going to go directly over the wrists, and then you're going to lower down that left foot onto the earth. Now, what I like to do in this wild thing is I like to bend my legs and expand. Drive your hips towards the sky, engage your glutes, and spin your rib cage towards the sky. Reach your left arm, staying long through the fingertips, push down through the feet, and I want you to roll the right shoulder blade down that right arm, creating that nice stable foundation. And then slowly lower. Let's begin our journey to side two from downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg lifts. Bend that right leg, shift your weight forward, and then land that right foot behind you. Reach through your fingertips. Try to spin your rib cage towards the sky. Roll the left shoulder blade down that left arm, down the back body. Grip through the fingertips. Push the ground away. Stay active in the feet. Stay active in the glutes. And then to come out of it, you're just going to bend your knees and meet in downward facing dog. Wild thing is a great variation of Vashisthasana, side plank. It can also be a heart opener and a back bend at the same time. Make sure that you practice rolling the shoulder blades on whatever your point of contact, whichever arm is grounded onto the earth. I hope that this tutorial has helped you. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Thank you for your practice.